Hello. Uh, we've just made another update to the Copilot Metrics Power BI app. We've got release 27 now. This is to fix the unbundling of the GitHub Advanced Security API changes that were made. We've seen a lot of you have made some comments in the community, and I found a fix. Let's take you through that shortly. You visit the app source, or directly you might get a notification on your app that there is a new version of the app, and then you can click on update now, and that will be upgraded to the latest version. This should be version 27. When you click on get it now, it should identify existing app that you have installed. So it should find an older version of the app existing. You can upgrade directly by selecting which app you want to update. This should not override the underlying data since you have incremental refresh. You just select the app that you want to update and you click on install, so that will overwrite the older version 25 that you may have with 26. So that will install. If you install the new version, version 27, I've just installed a fresh app, version 27. As usual, you click on connect data. What you would see is there is an additional parameter here called GAS standalone, which is GitHub Advanced Security standalone. And this parameter is required if you have a standalone version of GitHub Advanced Security. Some people purchase GitHub Advanced Security secret scanning only product, which means you're only using the secret scanning security feature on GitHub. Or you can have the other version, which is the security product. So if you're using a standalone, you want to set this as true. So this is a Boolean or binary value. It doesn't matter, it's not case sensitive. It will always convert it to the right one. So I'm just gonna put any sample here, for instance. Every other thing should remain as it was before. Then I'm just gonna put my username here, and then I put my password. Okay, and that's all you need. You just click on sign in. Another alternative is to go to the workspace belonging to the app directly. So you'll find that under workspace, you open the workspace and then you go to settings where you can set true or false as the case may be, and then you can change your enterprise slug, and that's it. You apply and the refresh should work successfully for those of you that are getting errors. Let me know in the comments in the community if this is working for you. Thank you.